Hey, it's Don from 12 Tomatoes. We're gonna make some coconut mango sushi rice. So you're gonna start with some rinsed rice in a pot. You're gonna pour in some coconut milk and some water. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. You're gonna mix it up and bring it up to a boil. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna reduce your heat down to low, cover with a towel and a lid, and let it simmer for 10 minutes, then let it rest for 5. Right here we're gonna make the seasoning mixture. We're gonna mix it around, let it dissolve, then we're gonna pour in the rice in a little tray, spread it out, and then we're gonna pour in that dissolved seasoning mixture, season that rice out, and make it taste real nice. Top it with that mango. Oh, look at that chop. Oh yeah, that's me. Top it with some green onion and some sesame seed and mix it all together and enjoy. Oh, look at those shots. Oh, baby. Summer, hello?
12 Tomatoes.